Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2016 Toyota Corolla Ascent Sports, stock reference number 4628. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2015 through to the 6th month 2019. It has a 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left-hand fog light with surround. It's fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage with camera. Right-hand tailgate garnish. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. We have a set of 4 factory floor mats as well. Center console, cloth type lid in black, manual type, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, 8-inch touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.